Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match, and make sure that this function is enabled. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also enable this function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be showers with a high of 40 and a low of 31.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.